Namaste everyone. Today I am going to show you how to do natural dyeing with the flowers. So for the dyeing, the first process is mordanting. In mordanting, we are taking a alum to mordant our fabric, and fabric we are taking is Ahisma handloom silk. For mordanting, we will use RFD fabric. If you don't have RFD fabric, you can do the scarring of the fabric. RFD is ready for dyeing fabric. Scouring is very important before mordanting. So for the mordanting process, we will take alum and dissolve in the water. Once that alum is dissolved in the water, we will boil it for some time and then we'll add the fabric in the mordant bath. Mordanting process we will do for around 60 minutes. While doing the mordanting, it is very important to keep stirring and turning the fabric. It helps in even dyeing. Otherwise, you will get patches. Once the mordanting is complete, we will turn off the heat and let it be cool for some time. And meanwhile, we will separate the petals from marigold flowers. You can take either yellow flowers or you can take orange, whichever is easily available. So now separating the petal is also important because dyeing extraction is better if we are using the petals. You can use flowers as is also. It's not mandatory to separate the petals. You can use either dry flowers or even fresh flowers can be used. So we have taken a yellow flower petals and we will put a water in the container and put all the flower petals in the container and keep pushing the flower petals for some time so that it fully immerse in the water. Dye extraction takes around 60 minutes time. Keep pushing the flowers, keep rotating, stirring. After 60 minutes you will see the yellow color has started coming. A very good vibrant yellow color has started coming. Nice yellow color. Such a beautiful vibrant yellow color you will achieve after 60 minutes. Once it is done, turn off the flame and let it be cool for some time. Then we will strain the dye from the flowers. Now the process of straining. For this you can use a muslin cloth, or if you have a strainer that can be also used. We are using a muslin cloth because the dye bath is quite large in amount. So for this process we are using a muslin cloth. You can use a strainer or a muslin cloth, whichever you prefer. This process is also very important for even dyeing and not to get patches and dots in the dyeing. We need to strain the dye extract. and squeeze the muslin as much as you can to get the maximum amount of dye. This whole process of natural dyeing is really satisfying and you will enjoy a lot. Natural dyeing is like a meditation. This is the final color which we have got. Now we will immerse the mordanted fabric into the dye bath. You can add the water if you require, depending on the fabric you want to dye. Immerse the fabric fully into the bath, and then after 16 minutes you will see this vibrant yellow color on the fabric. Keep stirring and turning the fabric in the dyeing process to get an even dye. If you will not turn the fabric frequently, then you will get a different places, you will get a patches. For the even dyeing you require frequent turning and stirring. Such a beautiful vibrant yellow color. You can do the dyeing for 60 minutes or 90 minutes depending on the color depth you require. We will keep it for another half an hour and we'll see after 90 minutes. The process is almost complete. After 90 minutes you can see we have got a very deep yellow color. Once the dyeing is complete, turn off the flame and then let it be cool for some time and then take out the fabric. Don't put it in water directly, let it be cool first, otherwise it can damage the fabric as well if you will directly put it under the cold water. Then rinse into the water until the water runs clear, and then you can hang it to dry. Don't dry in the direct sunlight, dry in shade. You can see how even we have got the dyeing. This is because we have continuously stirring and turning the fabric. This is after drying. Such a beautiful yellow color fabric we have got. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos on natural dyeing, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.